Physical Therapist here for Stretch Saturday, and today we're going to be talking about neck pain, neck tightness, neck stiffness, as well as headaches that may be a result of this neck pain and stiffness. So this topic is brought to you by one of my followers on Instagram. She reached out to me, asked me to cover this, so I'm covering it today. If you want a specific topic, comment below or send me a DM on Instagram. So what we're going to talk about is the tight suboccipital muscles. You'll see the suboccipital muscles here. Hold it there for a second so you guys can see it. And then you'll also see where they originate and insert, as well as the nerves that they can compress. So why is this important? Well, when these muscles get tight back here, not only does it limit your range of motion, make you feel tight and locked up in the neck back there, but it can compress your greater occipital nerve, and because of that, you can get headaches that go back here, all the way through here. You've heard of tension headaches, headaches that here on the side of the head, but mostly back here in the suboccipital region. This can all be a cause of this tight musculature. So what are we gonna do? Well, the first thing we're gonna do is just do a simple levator stretch. This really isn't a suboccipital stretch, but we wanna kind of loosen everything up before we hit the suboccipitals. So if you watch the telehealth video I did with Grant, we kind of covered this. So the first thing is just gonna be to look down towards the way that's non-tight. So if my right side's tight, I'm looking towards my left. Then I'm gonna look down towards the floor, towards my armpit, grab my head, and just pull it and hold it. And you're gonna hold that for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then do the other side. Also, what you're gonna do is kind of go through a test-retest where you take your right ear to your right shoulder, left ear to the left shoulder, look back, look down, turn, kind of see where you're at, and then stretch again, see if you get more range. Now we're gonna hit the suboccipital muscle. So there's two ways, actually three ways to hit this. The first way is you can just kind of dig back here. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you just dig back here in the suboccipital triangle, you can massage it out yourself. So that's where it is. I'll post a picture again too so you can see. An easier way is to lay on the floor, use a lacrosse ball. This is a yoga tune-up ball. It's gonna be a little bit more gentle. You can start with a tennis ball depending how tight it is back here. You're gonna lay on the floor, put it right here. I'll do it on the wall for demonstration purposes, but you go back, you find the spot, and then you lay on the floor and kind of let it work out. We wanna find the tight spot, the most painful spot, hold it there for a little bit, and then let go. Another thing you can do is you can cup it. Now, this is gonna be intense and you're probably gonna have little marks on the back of your neck. So be prepared for questions if you're gonna do this. However, I have seen a lot of relief going like this, sticking it there. I'm not really a fan of cupping unless it's indicated. There's really no evidence for it. You see a lot of it since Michael Phelps did it in the Olympics. You know, I do it as needed, but evidence-based, no, it is not there, but it can help you relieve some of this muscle tension and ultimately take pain off this nerve, which is gonna help you with your headaches. So if you have neck pain, neck tightness, neck stiffness, try all of this out. Also, if you have headaches as well, let me know how it goes. Hopefully this video is making sense. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this on all the platforms for people that have neck pain and whatnot. I am taking on one-on-one clients still, so send me a message if you want to be my one-on-one client. I can see you anywhere in the world through my remote mobile app. So again, I'm Dr. Smith Physical Therapist. Follow me on Instagram, recommend topics, all of that good stuff. Hopefully this helps you move better. And again, once you do all this, I want you to retest all the motions. Let me know how it feels. Again, I can't give you everything in this video because I gotta keep putting out more content. But thank you for watching and hope you guys have an awesome weekend and a really good day.